Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube tutorial, and throughout this course I'll be your tutor on website designs and development using WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you should have an understanding on what a WordPress design is and how you can implement your WordPress design and get started and kickstart your career in web design and development. By the end of this course, we'll be achieving a website like this, a landing page where we are going to be creating the hero section, and we are going to be creating about section as well, our services section and our contact section. Attached to this video is we have our link, which is our design guide, a Figma design that we are going to be using as our design guide. Also attached to this video, we have the files where you can access the files and download it as well. So for example, we have this background section, we have the image that we are using, we have the icons that we're going to be using, and these icons, this background as well. So stick to this, and I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you should have an overview and should be able to develop a website, a landing page exactly like this. Also, we are going to be teaching you how you can make your design responsive at the end of the tutorial. So we have two local hosts that we can use, which is the XAMPP and the LocalWP. If you're okay with XAMPP, you can stick to that. If you're okay with LocalWP, you can also stick to that. But for this tutorial, I'll be using LocalWP. So whichever one works, you can implement it. So there's XAMPP, there's LocalWP. It's just for you to run your localhost, and with XAMPP you can run your localhost. The localhost is where you can use your system as a server where all your design and your websites will be residing. If you're using LocalWP as well, LocalWP is faster and the process is not as long as that of the XAMPP, and they have the installation of WordPress and other details is automated, so it's faster. But you can also use XAMPP. I'll be using LocalWP for this tutorial, and just stick with me and you can see how we can install our XAMPP, and also you will see how we can install our LocalWP. So see you in the next video, and let's get started.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever we post new content, and kindly share. See you in the next video.